play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, and then sashay. But I don't work for free, that's not the tea, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. My nails, hair, hips, heels.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am 𝒮𝒃𝒾𝓃, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisperer, and if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. So in today's 5-minute hairstyle video, this is where I put everything that I do in this 5-minute video. So let's get started and let me give you all the juicy details on this wig. So I got this beautiful unit from Temu. Y'all already know how me and Temu go together. At this point, it's an obsession. And if Trump take it away from me, I am going to the White House because he think running the world is easy, baby. Wait till he see me. Anywho, this is a $13 unit, 26 inches, black body wave, 13x4 lace, and she's pre-plucked. 2 combs in the front, 1 in the middle, no comb in the back, but she does have adjustable straps. Enough of the details, let's go ahead and install this unit.
Save your tears, baby. 30 hertz straight up.
You know when a lace is really good when you cut it off and you just have to show people.
Save your tears, baby. 30 hertz straight up.
While I'm finishing this up, let's talk about her. Y'all, I love this unit so bad, okay? Love it. But the only thing is she does get nappy. So I added oil to this unit. After I did that, that's when the unit really came through. I love this unit. It is a 10 out of a 10 for me. So thank y'all so much for tuning in to this 5-minute video. And like I always say, if you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.